Hey, what's up, guys? You might have heard such songs which are getting converted from like new versions to the older versions, 90s style versions, retro versions of the newer songs, and you might have seen vice versa as well, where older songs which are getting remixed or recreated using AI with the new music style. So today we're going to learn how to create this using AI, and we are going to use free tool. So what I am going to do, first of all, I have just copied the lyrics of one of the song which I want to convert to a old version of the same. So I'll go to Suno Music, like suno.com, Suno AI music, and they have launched V5 as well, which is the best AI model so far for music creation. And with the Suno you get 10 credits every day with free version, so you don't need to buy a paid plan until and unless you want to explore more features, more credits and all. But if you are just trying out, you can still go ahead with the free version of the Suno. I'll put link in the description below. So what we have to do is we have to just go to suno.com, log in with your account. You can use your Google account as well. I have just logged in here, and just click on create button. So there are two modes. You can use simple, where you just have to define what exactly you want in your song, and then Suno will write lyrics and everything, and it will create the whole music first. But if we go to the custom mode, here we can define lyrics as well. So I'll just paste the lyrics which I have copied. Okay, you can see I have copied these lyrics for one of the song which is already there, and I'll just simply define the style. I'm just saying I want 1970s style Bollywood classic music, probably Kishore Kumar, or you can give any singer name which you want to get the styles from, and you can define more details in it so that it gives more dramatic and realistic version of the old songs. And you just have to click on create, so that it will take 10 credits, so it will generate two versions of the song. So I'll simply click on create, and now you can see it will generate the songs, and those will be appeared here in your workspace. So let it create the song. While this is creating the AI version of the song, just make sure that you already subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon as well, so that you get notifications for all our future uploads. And if you want to learn more AI stuff, we already have created a lot of AI tutorials, AI tools tutorials, where you can learn image editing using Gemini. Also, if you are interested in UI UX design, you can follow a Figma tutorial or UI UX design tutorial. And now here you can see it has created the song, and it is just giving us a preview of if this song has been created using V5, a paid plan. It is just advertising of the Suno. So if you want to this quality of V5 model, you can upgrade and you can get the full version of the song. So I'll just play this here, and
This is the tribute to Taleva from King Khan and one and only Yo Honey Singh.
and now you can listen the music. It is old style Bollywood classic. This is again like V5 version. I'll not play the entire song. You can generate yourself and listen yourself. If you want to listen the full generated song, just let me know in the comments. Comment song, and I'll send you the Telegram link where I'll put this song, so you can just listen it from there. I'll listen the one with the older version. So now you can see this.
Tribute to Taleva from King Khan and one and only.
Now you can listen. It has created the awesome, yeah, you can see. I'll show you the other version as well. As I said, it generated two versions.
This is the tribute to Taleva from King Khan and one and only Yo Honey Singh.
You can listen the music, you can listen the way it has generated the song. It is using 4.5 version of the model. So guys, if you want all the versions which we have created here, just let me know in the comments and I'll send you all these files. And yes, till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing. And if you want to learn more such things, just let me know. I'll create amazing videos for you guys. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I have added my Instagram handle in the description as well, so you can just follow there as well. And if you create anything using AI and you want to post on Instagram, just tag me and I will share it on my story so that you get more reach. So yep, that's it. Till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.